search say Fiori app library, get the link for Fiori app library.hana-on-demand.com. Click on this link, it will open the Fiori app library link where you can get all the apps which are present on Fiori. Let me recheck this. On the left, you can see at present all the apps. It is showing me the option to select the filter for private cloud or on-premises or public. Let me select say all only, double click on it. I'm getting the list of all the apps or the tiles present on SAP Fiori. The count is coming as this much. If you select any one out of it or double click on it, on the right side, you will get the details for that particular application. Here you can see the star is coming, one with the blue and another with the gray. If you click on this select all the apps will be selected. Let me enter some filter for it. So I can enter say quality and then press enter key. So it will give me the applications which are related to the quality, and now the count has been reduced. If I select already all are selected. On the right side, you are getting the detail about manage quality level. Your version detail, you can select whether it is a public cloud or the private, and the key features which are there in this application. Filter icon is there. Click on this. It will give you a pop-up. Here we can select what's new, selecting both enhanced app and the new app. Click on go. Now all the applications are marked with this star, either with the blue sign or with the gray sign. When you take the cursor to the position, you can see tooltip is coming enhanced in SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud 2025. New in S/4HANA, if you take this cursor to the another application, it is new in the S/4HANA. If you double click on any app, in the right side, you will get the details. And it is a detailed view. That's why it is giving you the complete information about that particular application. And there is also an option of list view. If you click on this list view, it will give you the view in the listed format. For the entire library, you can see the apps are coming. For the description and all are coming. Let me go back. So these indicators are there either with the blue star, which is for the new in the S/4HANA, and if it is gray, it means it is the enhanced in S/4HANA. To tell you that whether it is new or it is enhanced one, double click on it. On the right side, you detailed view, so you can get the complete details like the implementation information, the product details, its version, and features which are there. And if you click on the list view, then the list will come. Select all the application type. Click on OK. If I select, say, this one, private cloud and on-premises. Okay, now I'm getting in the list format, you can get the details, description and other details about the app. The download option is also there on the lower half. It will download the whole content in an Excel format. Now it is downloading it. And now we can open this Excel file list actually where we are getting all the information